going on, everybody? This is your All-Terrain Nation. I'm your host, David Boyd. And so I just got back from my Ford dealership, and the hat may give it away, and this may give it away, but like everybody back in July, I'd put $100 down for a reservation spot for that new 2021 Ford Bronco, not the Sport. I want a real Bronco. And, I thought about it for a while, and you guys, if you've known me from the Nissan world, you know I've been a big Nissan guy, Xterra guy specifically, but Nissan's not building anything fun right now, so I want a Bronco. And so I threw the money down like everybody else. But there's been a lot of misinformation going on around, whether it be on the forums or Facebook, about what the process will be. Now, it's September, so we were told by Mike Levine that in September they were going to release what all the options were going to cost us for the Bronco. Now, once again, I don't have anything to report on what options are going to cost right now or any of that process, but what I do have is I don't know, I've seen these floating around, all kinds of cool information about. It's basically what you can see online. You've seen this, guys. Like, there's nothing new about this, but I wanted one anyways, right? So I was curious of the process of what come December, when it comes time to order, how do I do that? Now, my local dealership here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, has been pretty awesome about. They gave me a phone call, emails right away once I put the money down the next day, and I've called a couple times, and they've been very nice and helpful. So I got into it this week with them, and I was like, hey, what's come December, what is the process? Now, I've seen a lot of people go, well, you don't have to put any money down you're gonna have to put thousands of dollars down to order it. Now, I want to say this with my local dealership, and I do not know this if this is the case for across the country or not, but my local dealership has told me come December, I get all my options together, we price it all out, they are only going to do $400 as a deposit towards ordering the vehicle. Now, they said it's $500, except for I've already put the $100 down, so they're just going to use that $100 plus the next $400 as the $500 deposit to get my order in. Now, like most of you, I am super pumped. Like, guys, I've been a Nissan guy through and through, and I'm wearing a Ford hat, and I haven't owned a Ford since the 90s. So if that lets you know, like, how excited I am for Bronco. But I am curious, if you guys have talked to your dealership, let me know in the comments below. What have they told you about what they're going to require? Now, also, my dealership has told me that they are only charging retail for that vehicle. Now, this is Murfreesboro Ford, or Ford of Murfreesboro. If you're local, you'll know what it is. But which is really cool, because I know they had a GT500 sitting in there that they were charging $30,000 more than retail for that car, and God, that thing's beautiful. So I'm curious. I've seen, once again, a lot of speculation and people talking about, well, my dealer, I don't want to go to one, they're going to upcharge me, they're going to do this and that. So I wanted to let my audience know this has been my process. Now, we will document this all the way through. I plan on, once in December, once I get to do my order, you're going to get to see the process of that. Obviously, I want to document this whole process, because you see there's going to be a ton of YouTubers out there that have zero journalistic skills, and they're just going to be out there and they're going to show you they get to jump in the new thing. They're going to pay way too much for this thing, and they're going to go out and tear it up, and about a month later they're going to go move on to their next Gallardo or whatever they buy. But this is a serious purchase for serious people. Now, like most of America, I don't have $50,000-$60,000 that I can just readily throw around like it doesn't mean anything to me. So I want you guys to see the process, and let me know what you think. So I'm all built for the wild now, right? So guys, once again, thank you for your time, and if you haven't yet, click the subscribe button. I know we're a new channel here, but if you want to get a flavor for what we do, if you're from some other brand, go to the Nissan Nation production side. You'll see how we document things, and we do document. I've got a Titan video out there where I owned a Titan for 3 years, and I documented what it was like year 2 and 3. So from all things all-terrain, I'm your host, David Boyd. Peace, everybody. Love y'all.